we have spares. And if you own some of these machines, don't get caught without spare parts. These are the most important parts, okay? You can call Tom at CDI, he can ship you the parts. Here, guys. We're done with parts. So now we know all our breakers are on, we're all good. So we're gonna shut it up. You wanna pull this other camera? Shut this up because we don't want it open. You don't want guys reaching in there when the thing's powered. Electrical hazard. Okay, and I triple check all the cams, especially because guys, remember, like right now the rain's throwing us off, and it's a great example of you're never setting a desiccant when it's sunny and it's Monday morning. This has happened when it's storming, it's raining, it's freezing, it's snowing, and it's late at night, and you can easily make mistakes. Okay, you don't want to make mistakes that are going to cause the site to be unsafe. Okay, I was just making sure. You triple check. Okay, all of our cams are tight. I'm going to triple check these. Check this. We triple check all our cams are tight. Ultimately, there should be one guy responsible for firing everything. So we're going to fire it back up. As Jim Thompson says, we got. What's that? A couple of the feeds can come. We're going to pull all the covers off.